All right, everybody, we've got a quick 2-box break here of Elite Extra Edition and Bowman Sterling. The last box of Elite that we opened was a hot box. Ended up with 11 autos and a relic. And then the Sterling had another dozen, or another 18, so it ended up with 30 hits in the last break. The base here is just split up, so you know every team gets something, basically, is what that's for. And just like the last one, first pack has a redemption. Jonathan Crawford to 200. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we are redeeming. What's our redeeming quality here? Franchise future signatures. Ryan Garvey. Ryan Garvey. I got no idea who that dude is. Ryan Garvey. It's kind of crazy that they only give you 4 months to redeem this now. 4 months. Ryan Garvey. Royals, can you find Ryan Garvey? Maikel Franco. Rockies. Okay, thank you. And Joel Messias for the Phillies. Joel Messias. Brandon Diaz. Blue Brandon Diaz to 50 for the Brewers, and that is on card. Trey Masick. Another blue on-card auto to 50. Trey Masick. 45 out of 50. eBay 9 of 10. Aaron Judge. Second box in a row with an Aaron Judge. 33 out of 599 on-card auto. First round draft pick for the Yankees. Another redemption. All right, let's see what we got here. Die cut to 100. David Garner. David Garner. Die cut auto. And we've got Michael Rivera. Michael Rivera, that'll go to the Rays. Cubs, thank you. All right, so the Rays with a bonus hit. Cubs for Garner. Hunter Harvey, that's a nice card. Hunter Harvey auto for the Baltimore Orioles to $4.99. That's on-card auto. Cody Reed. Wow, look at that. Green status die cut auto. Cody Reed. 24 out of 25 for Kansas City. Royals, you ever heard of Cody Reed? 24 out of 25. Nice card. /10. Corey Black for Chicago. I don't know if that's White Sox or not, but this is a lot of color in this one. 9 of 10 orange die cut. Orange status die cut. Looks like it might be White Sox, but the minor league teams can fool you sometimes. Hunter Harvey. Josh Ewan for the Brewers, 21 out of 100. Josh Ewan. And that's going to do it. So not a hot box, but damn good with all that color. 2 blue autos, the green the green auto, and then the orange non-auto. That's pretty impressive. So the Rays with a bonus hit. The Dodgers got the Griffey, and then we've got an orange status die cut, 9 of 10. Cody Reed, Hunter Harvey, David Garner, Aaron Judge, Trey Masick, Brandon Diaz, Ryan Garvey, Joel Messias. All right, let's count those out. That's not bad. I'm going to count this orange, even though it's not an auto. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 8 autos and a relic and the orange status. That's actually pretty damn good. You might even call that a hot box, since you're only supposed to get 6. That's pretty close to a hot box. That was my last Elite from that case. I do have another case, though, so don't worry. Don't worry. I got more Elite for you. Corey Black was the Cubs. Oh, okay. Yeah, see, it looks like the White Sox, but it's the Cubs. It doesn't matter. They'll look it up. It's no problem. All right. Let's see what we got going on here. We've got Taijuan Walker for the Mariners. Cato for the Yankees, Ian Clarkin, Yankees, and Tyler Skaggs for the D-backs. Throws 100. Nice. Mark Appel for the Astros, Colin Morban for the Mariners, Riley Unroe, he's a Ray, and Victor Sanchez to 99. 97 of 99 for the Mariners. The Mariners are killing. Mariners and Yankees have officially killed this break. Aaron Hicks for the Twins. Mark Montgomery for the Yankees. D-backs, Polka, and the redemption. Justin Williams for the D-backs. Justin Williams. It's a refractor to 150. All right, halfway through. Yeah, quite a few, I'd say. Quite a few. Tony Cingrani for the Reds. Nice Jonathan Gray for the Rockies. Matt McPherson for the D-backs, and Ryan McMahon for the Rockies. Ryan McMahon to 125. 32 out of 125. All right, we got the Biddler. Tom Windle, Dodgers. Hunter Renfroe, Padres, nice card. And Ryan Healy for the A's. Last pack. Last pack. C.J. Edwards, Cubs. May, Jacob May for the White Sox, and Ryder Jones for the Giants. All right, guys. Another 30 hits there. Jones, May, C.J. Edwards, Wendell, Renfro, Healy, the Biddler, Ryan McMahon, nice card. McPherson, Jonathan Gray, nice card. Justin Williams, Mark Montgomery, Victor Sanchez to 99, Mark Appel, Taiwan Walker Refractor, Cato and Clarkin, and Skaggs. No big head turners, but a lot of teams did really well. Most teams did okay with something, got something. Yeah, you probably did okay with 5 autos. Probably did all right.